Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We can never have enough side dish recipes. It's nice to switch things up and not serve the same items all the time. I have a lot of gorgeous recipes like cabbage and carrot casserole, calico beans, broccoli and cauliflower casserole, and more, including this one, my southern corn pepper pudding. This American classic is simply amazing. It's super easy to make with delicious results. It's a great side to make anytime. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine all-purpose flour, some baking powder, then granulated sugar, some dried thyme leaves, and the two usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I rarely use plain black pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and set aside for now. Next, in a larger bowl, we'll add 5 large eggs and 2 cups of heavy cream. We'll whisk very well before adding some corn kernels, then the 2 cheeses, which are sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. But if you want more zip, go for pepper jack. Followed by finely chopped onions and red peppers as well as poblano peppers. We'll stir until everything is nicely blended before adding our dry ingredients. Then mix until nicely incorporated. We'll now pour the mixture into a lightly greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish and level it out. Then we'll sprinkle on some smoked paprika. It gives a nice flavor profile, plus it makes the dish look prettier. Like I often say, we eat with our eyes first. Next, we'll transfer the dish to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 40 minutes or until the pudding is set. The best way to know is to insert a cake tester in the center, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes before garnishing with fresh chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our southern corn pepper pudding. This southern classic is very tasty, plus so easy to make. It's another delicious side to add to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!